Hey you guys, so I just bought the hugest nightmare in Supreme Duelist right now. We go to map editor, as you can see. If we go press load map, as you can see, I got all of my favorite levels that I got here, which we got damage, GD means transfer geometry dash, and we got home, which is don't ask why, and we got LL, which is just a main peaceful map, but it's actually yeah. So this is a basic map, but on the outside it's just weird. But if we go to loop, if you come down, yeah, you go we go up until you can't see the map. Yep, until you can't see. And if you go to nice, it's just a death loop and you get like 30 coins. Yeah. And if we go to nightmare, but as you see, I tried to recreate the geometry dash thing, but I really don't know how to build in Supreme Tools. But yeah, I know how to build in Minecraft, but I don't have it. But I deleted it lost in 2024. So as you can see, here's some blocks. I just put them some spikes down and what the? Okay, we're not gonna go there. Okay, that was kind of sus though. So and we're gonna check out other maps. We can check. Okay, another death trap. We get free coins. Go to sleep, and you just hop on, and then you just fall down. Then just go through these portals. Just go down here. Then this one is only in 8 seconds. These things go off. Yeah, then just fight. We go to stick. It's just an ordinary map, but so yeah, it's kind of good though. It's kind of nice. It's a sick project that I ever made in a Supreme Duelist. So if you go to it will just a basic map again, like 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 LOL. If you go to WoW, it's just another basic map, but with magma. Well, I have a lot of basic maps. Well, let's see. We have one damage, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Just wow, great. So that means we have like currently 12. Wow, that's amazing. But we're gonna taste this freaking absolute bait. We're gonna check out all of these levels that I just did, but we are gonna see how these. But we're gonna put this CPU on medium. I'm not gonna do it, but sticks are. Okay, but okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna do this in LOL. Since I made like a lot of basic maps, but different like LOL. Okay, that was basic. I don't want to complain again because then the thing might just crash. Okay, let's play a loop, I guess. Because why not? Come on, white. Come on, white. Come on. Don't let blue win. Don't let blue load. I named the dark blue one blue load, so yeah. This the white one is white load. Don't let blue load win. Please do not. Oh my gosh, white load. Why are you that stupid? Bro, lock. Okay, white load is not even locking in chat. Like for real, like seriously. Well, my homies, I am gonna go broke for now. No, well, I'm broke, my homies. Yeah, I'm broke. I'm not like going broke. Like, okay, so we're just gonna do nice. I don't trust this, but okay. Okay, I knew it is a death trap. I knew it. I knew that I ain't stupid, chat. I ain't stupid. Ooh, nightmare. I'm glad I put the CPUs on medium because I don't want to do it myself. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. White will just win for once, please. Just win. Just win. Oh yeah, and this is my second video of Supreme Duelist ever. Because, like, in 2025, I can't remember the date, but it was November something, lumping. I really don't know. I only know the year and the month, but I didn't know the date. But hey, but I was a noob at first, but I was pro at first when I played the game, so I was grinding all night. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have a bad feeling. It's a death trap again. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, how about we do sleep? Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. These stickmen are about to get cooked by my absolute banger map. Okay, White Lord. Yo, White Lord, why do you turn the activated? Are you stupid? Okay, Blue Lord. Blue Lord is win. Bro, Blue. Okay, Blue. Chat. Is Blue Lord even locking in, yo? Oh, yes, he is. Okay, look at White Lord's health, bro. Like, bro. Blue Lord's health. Oh, no. Oh, no. White Lord's not. Oh, my gosh. White Lord. Yo. Yo, White Lord's not even chance. Check. Check. Okay, just showing me. Okay. Blue Lord, where are you? Because I can literally see nothing. Oh yeah. Oh yes, you locked in. Oh chat. Oh chat. White Lord locked in. No. Well, my homies, I got better. Okay, that's another 2.4. Okay, so we got. Okay, how about we do stick? Okay, that's a basic map. Again. Okay, White Lord. You got 2 points. You need one. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, my lord. I believe in you. Lock in. Lock in. Okay, bro. Okay, White Lord is actually kind of locking in. No, not gonna lie, chat. Okay, bro. How is Blue Lord so stupid? Like, he's not actually locking in. It's only. No, White Lord. Oh, no, you. Bro, look at Blue Lord's health. Bro, he's locked. Blue Lord's locking, but what? That okay? You know what? 3 points. 3 points of Blue Lord. Okay, alright, bet. Fine, whatever. Okay, whatever. Let's do. Oh well. Okay. I don't even know why I named it, but it's kind of sus though. It's yeah. I don't know why I even named that. But whatever, it's just a basic map. Okay. White Lord, you gotta lock in. You gotta lock in. You gotta knock a Blue Lord. Cold as F. Cold as flip. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Yes, win. You better win. Yes, knock him. Oh my gosh. Well, my homies, 4 points, I guess, for Blue Lord. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, how about we just do wow? This. Come on. Come on, bro, you gotta win this. White Lord, you didn't even got a single point yet. You barely got a single point yet. You only got 1 point in Blue Lord. Bro, are you standing there or you just... You need to lock in, White Lord. Seriously, you need to lock in. You need to get like, actually, I'm not gonna lie, Blue Lord is actually locking in. Oh my gosh. Guys, rewind the clip. White Lord just went into the magma. Isn't that like so stupid? What the flip? Like what the freak? Random. Wait, I wonder what map did we do? Okay, Oh, we didn't do Geometry Dash. Okay, let's do Geometry Dash, because I just did. Oh, nah. Oh my gosh. White load and blue load is so cooked, bro. Now, this is like the ultimate and finest project I ever did in Supreme Do List. It's the finest project ever. You stupid. He's locking in. Oh my gosh, shit, he's lock. White load, you locking in. Finally, think for God's sake. Yeah, yes, he got 2 points. Let's flip and go. White Lord, I think you're my favorite stickman now. Yay! I hope you been Ellen Baker animations. Yeah, so good. Wait, did we do them? I'm not sure. Wait, let's try. Oh no, they are so cooked. Come on, White Lord. Come on, White. Oh no, Blue Lord. Oh no, bro, he's blind. Bro, you win. Oh, and I train the head. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, I don't know how Blue Lord. Well, let's do LOL. Oh, White Lord is bro, he's such a bit. Oh my gosh, White Lord, you're such a noob. Okay, the trap. Let me see, did we do anything? Okay, can you do a bow again? Because. Well, my homies, that's all I got. Geometry dash, geometry dash. Yeah, also, tell me what other map should I just do next with white load and blue load, and make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if I should make Subway Surfers. Nah, bro, that'll be sick. Then the geometry, then GD. But nah, safe. Peace.